Welcome to a tutorial on installing DRAMSim as a component in the SST 2.3.0 framework. I'm going to assume you have a fresh installation of CentOS 6.364-bit with SST 2.3 already installed, along with the Gem5 CPU simulator already installed. So those were my previous two tutorials, and here we see we've just finished running the Hello World, and it works with Gem5. So now we're going to add in the DRAMSim simulator. Alright, so this is my home directory. I'm going to add a new variable, a new bit of code to my LD library path environment variable, and that the new bit is the home bpayne SST scratch source DRAMSim2. This is where the DRAMSim code is going to live, and we're going to add that to bashrc. So just to confirm, let's look at the bashrc file. There's a little bit of cleanup here first. I've got the old library path declaration. I'm going to get rid of that. So now we just have m5exe and the new LD library path in the bashrc file. So we can run source. So now that's available in our environment. And now we're going to go get DRAMSim. I don't have it yet, and I wasn't able to get wget to work earlier, so I'm going to go to the SST installation instructions and just download it directly from the link they provide. Alright, so that's in my download folder. I'm going to copy that into this directory. And we're going to extract it. Alright, and then go into that folder, and we should see the files there that we're going to build. So we're just going to make libdramsim.so. So this is the file that SST is looking for. We're going to build it, and then we've already specified an LD library path where to find it. So this is the path that we previously added to LD library path. I'm going to go into the SST directory and rebuild that. I'm going to run configure again. And this time when I run configure, I'm specifying with DRAMSim to be home bpayne SST local. That should be SST scratch source DRAM. So that folder is where the .so file lives, along with the header files. So I see an error here, Gem5 power models are disabled for this build, unable to correctly determine the requirements for Gem5. Configure specifies to build Gem5 but cannot build successfully. This is the configure that I ran with scratch source DRAMSim, and we'll look in that. So the contents of that folder include the libdramsim.so file along with the header files. Now if I go and configure without DRAMSim now, let's see what happens. Same problem.